In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to create a payment link on Binance. This simplifies the process of receiving cryptocurrency payments, making it easy and secure for both parties. Instead of manually sharing wallet addresses, which can be prone to error, a payment link provides a user-friendly one-click solution that ensures accuracy and efficiency. To do this, simply head to Binance. You want to tap on Add Funds. Here, select on Receive via Pay. You will then select onto the Receive option. Then down below, select on Payment Link. Here, choose the currency you want to get paid in. Then down below, enter the amount you want to receive. And lastly, a simple note. It's like a reason for receiving the payment. And once everything is set, tap on Share Link. You will then click onto these three dots on More, and then select Copy. Your payment link will automatically get copied to Clipboard, and you can now share to anyone. Now if they click onto the link and make a payment, it will automatically reflect to your Binance account. Well, that's how easy it is to create a payment link on Binance. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.